Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Income investors shouldn't overlook telecommunication stocks. They provide essential services to consumers and fat dividends to investors. In fact, it wouldn't be wrong calling these opportunities cash cows. But why should you pay attention to telecom stocks? Their large customer base and subscription revenue makes them very compelling. It gives these companies consistent cash flows, which ultimately allows them to pay investors healthy dividend like clockwork. One telecom stock in particular that's worth watching these days is Verizon Communications Inc. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol VZ. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Verizon Communication offers communication, technology, information, entertainment products, and services to consumers, businesses, and governments. The company operates under two business segments, consumer and business. VZ stock has been on a tear recently. It's already up more than 9.5% year to date, at least at this recording. And if you take a look at the charts, they're suggesting that investors are bullish and could take a VZ stock much higher. As it stands, the stock trades above both its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, or over. Momentum indicators suggest that buyers are coming in.
Verizon is firing on all cylinders.
Yeah, now it's important to remember that the stock market is a forward-looking indicator. As a result, a company's financial performance is directly correlated with its stock performance. If a company does well financially, its stock price generally follows. Verizon Communications' financial performance has improved, and it's expected to continue doing so in the coming years. This could be great for a VZ stock. Other telecom stocks aren't seeing the same strong tailwinds as Verizon Communications is experiencing. For some perspective, January 24th, Verizon Communications reported its financial results for the 2024 fourth quarter and full year. There were encouraging data across the board. Verizon reported full year 2024 earnings per share growth more than 50% on an annual basis to $4.14 per share from $2.75 per share in 2023. The company's free cash flow amounted to $19.8 billion in 2024, up slightly from $18.7 billion in 2023. Another thing worth noting in the fourth quarter of 2024 alone is that Verizon added 1 million postpaid mobile and broadband subscribers. This is the best quarterly increase in more than a decade for the company. Verizon's churn rate, that's the rate at which subscribers stop their services, remains extremely low at around 1%. Now, looking ahead, Hans Vestberg, company's chairman and CEO, said it's only going to get better this year and beyond.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, what's the outlook for VZ stock?
Wall Street analysts actually have a rosy outlook on Verizon Communications. Wall Street analysts are projecting the company's revenue to be around $137 billion in 2025 and close to $140 billion in 2026. Now, analysts are projecting earnings per share of $4.68 per share this year, and that rising to $4.87 per share in 2026. Now, if Verizon's earnings continue to improve, VZ stock could continue to move higher. Wall Street remains bullish on VZ stock, currently trading hands at around $43.10 per share. Analysts will provide a 12-month share price target range of $47.66 per share to $55 per share.
What does Verizon's dividend look like?
Verizon's dividend is another reason to be bullish on VZ stock. At the current price, VZ stock has a dividend yield of 6.5%, paying $2.71 per share or 0.6755 per quarter. That's higher than the 5-year average dividend yield of 5.43%. As a point of interest, Verizon also pays a reliably growing dividend too, 20 years and counting. This means Verizon provided shareholders with a raise during the financial crisis, Great Recession, and 2020 health crisis. Now, typically, Verizon Communications payout ratio is around 50%. Now, assuming this payout ratio stays consistent over the long term and the business improves, there's every reason to believe that shareholders could see a dividend income continue to grow.
John, thank you so much for your insights. VZ stock is offering investors a compelling opportunity. Shareholders don't just have the ability to generate consistent, solid income here, but they also get a decent capital appreciation. Verizon Communication is posting great financial results and growing its customer base, and the management's positive outlook is nothing but music to our ears. And just so you also know, VZ stock has a broad institutional ownership. As per the most recent data, 3,681 institutions own over 66% of all outstanding shares. The top three institutional investors include Vanguard, BlackRock, State Street, and together they own 902 million shares of VZ stock. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.